In this video, we'll demonstrate the different ways you can share your charts with your colleagues and teams. One of the great things about OrgCharts for Excel is that your org chart configuration is automatically stored within your Excel file. That means sharing your chart is as simple as sharing your Excel workbook. Anyone who also has OrgCharts for Excel installed will be able to open, view, and edit the chart, keeping everything in one place and easy to manage. But what if you need to share your org chart with someone who doesn't have OrgCharts for Excel yet? No problem. Remember, everyone can try it with a 7-day free trial, but you can also share a visual version of your chart directly. Just click Add to Worksheet to take a snapshot of your current org chart view. This adds a static image of the chart right inside your Excel worksheet. Perfect for sharing or printing. You can also export your chart as a PNG image file. To do that, open the sharing menu and click Save as PNG. Your chart will be automatically saved to your Downloads folder, ready to share by email, chat, or any other way you prefer. And that's it. Sharing organizational charts in Microsoft Excel has never been easier.